no cracks, no break. Yes, it's real. So how is this unbreakable egg made? Let's get into the magic. These are just regular eggs, nothing special. We line them up and get ready. Next, we heat up KASTAR's latest advanced coating in a 78°C thermal chamber. Once ready, it goes straight into a spray gun. Now the key step, 360 precision spraying, every angle fully coated, no weak spots. Surface dry in just 8 seconds, fully cured in 12 hours. What you're looking at now is an egg protected by high-performance coating technology, impact-resistant, shock-proof, built to protect. Interested in this coating technology? Contact us for samples and bulk supply.